Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Glenda. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. May flower pa
Ikaw.
siya. What's that? Lemon. Lovely cake. Grabe. Nasa bed pa ako. Kagising galing night. Thank you, Yat. Thank you.
Welcome. Now.
Thank you. Lamig sa cake. Oh.
Karoli, puro nga cake. Basta na lang.
Walang cheesecake.
Walay cheesecake.
Sige, thank you.
Welcome. O, bali. Sige, otro.
Thank you, Yat, sa pa-cake at sa pa-flower. Wala na yung card kay. Oh, thank you.
Surprise na
That's
siya.
sweet of you. Very sweet. Thank you. And
Welcome.
thoughtful.
That's all I can do.
Okay.
Because we're both working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kakaano ko lang, oh. Nasa bed pa. Galing
Okay.
night duty. Mag-night pa mamaya. Thank you so
You're
much.
happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just surprise.
Surprise, surprise.
Yeah, I'll cook something nice.
Yeah, I'll wait for it.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.